We heard rattles from the nails underneath the boards that held the dreams. For 10 or 11 miles we could hear that whistle howl and see the steam. So I drove a golden spike into the earth, and from my lips a prayer did leave. I prayed the tracks I had set would lead you careening right back home to me, were we born to run or born to drown, or darling, were we born somewhere in